Welcome back to the channel. This is Mitsubishi AC error code lists and solutions. So first one we have F1, which is communication error. So just simply check the wiring connections and reset the power to fix this. Next one is P8. It is inverter overheat protection. So just simply check for airflow and inspect the voltage supply. Another one is indoor outdoor communication failure, which is E6. And after that, just simply tighten the wiring and restore the proper power. Another one is U1, which is voltage fluctuation, and just simply check the voltage with a multimeter. Another one is E0. This means that it requires a board reset or replacement by a professional. Another one is L6, which just simply inspect the fan blades and motor wiring. There goes, see ya.